Okay, so here we are with another Christmas light troubleshooting video. This time it's for the snowflake lights, but I'll link in the description and also up above the icicle light troubleshooting video, which that video has a wiring diagram. Maybe I'll paste a similar diagram into the end of this video because the icicle light diagram, it's pretty similar for the snowflakes and applicable. What you end up having is segments of lights within the same strand that all go out at once because of a faulty bulb, shunt, or wiring issue. So that's what we have here. We have 3 snowflakes that are completely out, not flashing, not anything. So let me show you how I did the troubleshooting on this. Okay, so we'll start from the beginning. This is the beginning of the strand, and what you can do, of course, is go to the beginning with the voltage sensor, and of course you're going to get it dinging. So if you come up here to this first segment that's out, you get nothing, okay? Then you come up here to this next one. This one, by the way, is tied electrically to that one. It's not part of the series of lights in between. So you come up to this one and you get some voltage, but nothing. And then you come up to the last one that's out and you get voltage, but nothing. So what that means is that there's something going on in this segment that's impacting these other 2 segments. So let's start here. We have voltage on this wire and up into there. That's the first bulb in the socket. I've already pulled it out. But on the other side, I got nothing. All right, I'm gonna have to dub this audio over. So at this point, I know there's something going on in this socket. So maybe there's an internal shunt, and if I pull this bulb out, it will shunt out and complete the circuit and everything will light back up. So let's try that. No, that did not work, okay? So since there's no internal shunt, I'm going to do a big no-no, and I'm going to stick a screwdriver in the socket. I am not recommending that you do this, right? Do not do this. Do not do what I'm doing, but here we go. I'm going to stick a screwdriver in the socket and complete the circuit, and voila. We're on there, and we're on there. Take it off, out. So this is my issue, and this bulb is my issue. So what I'm going to do is replace that bulb, and the lights are on. All 3 of these lights that were out are back on. Now the only issue I have is this bulb is out, but it is shunted internally to complete the circuit. I guess what's happening here is the spare bulbs bag that I had must be from another set that's, you know, a higher running a lower current, so the actual filament part of this is blowing as soon as I put the bulb in. I did 2 and did the same thing, but the shunt is holding. So 1 little bulb out, not a big deal. So that's how I did this. If you want to see the wiring diagram, I'll paste it in at the end here. But if you want to see the explanation of the wiring diagram and how I kind of like thought through this whole thing, check out the other video about icicle light troubleshooting, because it's pretty much exactly the same as this. So thanks for watching and good luck.